Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to unmute messages on Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Instagram account. Now you should have to tap on message icon, which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. So tap on it. Now you can see the option of mute message. So tap on a message until you will see these options. Then you can see the option of unmute messages. So tap on it. Now your message has been unmuted successfully on Instagram. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.